Welcome to the analysis lessons. We're gonna analyze the part and I mean how you can really make yourself a good template or like these styles that you search and you find out in Google. So we're gonna analyze them so it's better for you and for me so you understand how to deal with it. And also you will understand how to make your own templates. So in this way, you build a skill of analysis and then building it through skill. So practically, you'll learn how to do it. But I'm gonna only help you on analysis. I think once you understand analysis, okay, once you understand what they are mixed of, what they are made, I think you can do that. And if there was something you wanted to me make it or me create it for you, so you can always put Q question and answer. Yeah, you can go always to Q and answer question section. You can go to that section and you can post a question and you can have me there. So that's the purpose right now. Right now we are headed to. Let's start with this. Okay, with this, as you can see, this is a logo design in here. There's a logo design, so you can bring an image. And then you have the also text and also highlight text. And then also you have a text in here. Now, what you can do in here is to put 3 rows together, okay? 1 row, 2 row, and 3 row. So 3 rows into it, and then you can put the highlight as well in here. So that's amazing, okay? So you can make it a lot smaller, and then it'll fit nicer to this. So you can make it using table. So I always recommend you to make using table because tables are very precise and it's very easy to create. Down here we have again another part of the row. Okay, so it contains 3 things, 3 top maybe services or maybe something else about dinner recipes, about the time, maybe all of that. And then down in here we come again back to again. In here it's still 1 row but 2 column. So you divide it into 2 column. Okay, so already you build the skill of table creation and how to make it. Down in here, so this is it. This is all the order number and number list. So you can do that. And down in here, we have again 1 row, and finally a big border top here. All of them has a border really. So you can decide on that. The table creation, you can do that. It's very easy. So there is no doubt in it. So that was the first analysis. Let's go to the next one. Now this one is very easy. It's a cover page. It's only blank document, and this is the title, and this is the subtitle. Okay, they both it's case study analysis. Okay, and down in here there's a text box with filled color of orange, and then typing out the credit and the things of the cover page. So it's very easy. Let's go to another. Okay, now let's go with the table. Now in here you can see a title, which is very nice, and organization name in here, and then week beginning and department. So you have 3 things. So 3 column. And here 1 row. Down in here we have employee ID, month, and then hours, rate, pay. So this is very easy. Now how you can do that like this, you can go with shading. Okay, you can go and pick up shading of table and you can just shade it black. Also you can shade this one. Shade, sorry, not shit. We have also available another part, supervisor signature, employee signature. So you can do that, okay? We worked with the certificate. Let's go with this one as well. This one is very easy. So there's 1 table and there's maybe no table at all, and then starting table from here to here and then to here. So it's very easy again. So only table creation, only plan text and table creation and title, heading, all of that. And finally, there's border. Okay, I think you can make it border. Maybe if I don't want to talk about it, I will talk about it on border, how you can make a border. Maybe I talked less about it, okay? So we're gonna go to the important part of design. Once we all go to design, here we have page borders. In here you have box, and you have also the PT, and then you have the color. So right now you can make it one, okay? There's no doubt about it. There you go. It's the same as that, and it's very beautiful. Even beautiful than this one. Okay. Another part is this one, okay? It's a cover page. So there's an image, and here's a text box, big text box, or maybe a shape, and then into it we have a lot of text box, 1 text box, 2 text box, 3, 4, 5. So a lot of it is in there. And then we have again a text box, and then again text box. All of that is text box, and then finally image. So it's very easy. The one that is a little bit harder, but it's better you try it if it's possible. So you draw a shape in here, and then you just edit the points and you make it curve. Okay, it's very also easy in Microsoft Word. Okay, I talked about the templates analysis. Now let's talk about also this website. It's a very great website by Tom, and it's very awesome. Okay, so it has a lot of template in it. So right now you can see another template, which is very nice. Okay, personal info. You can see that. So it's also available. You can make it like text box, or make it table into 2 column, big top, big 2 column, and then shading this one to blue and shading this one to white. It's very also easy. Let's go with another one. This one is also super easy. 1 column in here, 1 column in here, and 2 rows, and also 2 rows. So you can type into it. It's very easy. And then you can go with these precisely and to manage it. This one is also great. Clean, be white, black and white. So this is also very nice. So and I hope you can make like this one. It's also very easy, so there's no doubt about it. So this is also cover letter, okay? We have also this one. So you can download as well from here if you want it. I will link this. Okay, I will link this to this part so you can understand it better. There you go. 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 It's also very easy in here. You can make it. Okay, you just draw a triangle, and then you just pull down to the left, and then it'll be in here. Very easy.